$750 rug from West Elm. So what I did, I got the wood up there because if I just draped it over the fence, it'd probably get cut up because of the weight. So I got some wood, some cardboard. I'm going to drape it over. Then I'm going to put some cleaner on it and spray it out. Hopefully I don't ruin it. So I got the rug in place, hung it over the fence, and now I'm going to beat it out, get any loose dirt out. So I sprayed some cleaner on it. Now pressure wash it. Hopefully gravity will allow the rug to clean. So here's the other side. I'm going to spray it with some all-purpose cleaner. Alright, so the pressure washing is complete. We're going to let it dry and see if there's any improvement. Gotta thank my neighbor for letting me do it. See how it looks when it dries. It looks a lot better though. Alright, my final step, I'm really just soaking it down with water. Just straight garden hose. And let the nature dry it. We'll see if we have any improvements. But I've soaked it, so it's going to take a little while to dry. See how it comes out.